Hi guys, welcome to our channel Selenium Tech Automation. So today I'm going to discuss about the concept called Jenkins. Okay, so what is Jenkins and what are all the advantages of Jenkins and how we can configure this Jenkins into our local machine. Okay, so up to here only I'm going to cover in this video. So later how we can configure this Jenkins with Maven and how we can build our scripts with the help of Jenkins. I will take it into our next video. Okay, so let's get start with our video. So for example, there is a Selenium project, so where 4 persons are working on that project. So out of 4 persons, 2 persons are working on the day shift. Okay, that is from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the evening, and 2 persons and remaining 2 persons are working from 5 p.m. to in the morning 7 a.m. Okay, so they done their scripting part on their mentioned time, I mean working hours. Okay, and they executed on that particular times. So okay, once they shared the scripted test cases executions, so but the client wants to run the scripted test cases on his own time, that is 8 a.m. every day. Okay, client wants to execute the test scripts on the every day at 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so during this time so no one is available to run the scripts, right? So because two people are coming on the working on morning shift and two people are working on the evening shift, that is night shift. Okay, so during this time, so no one is available to run our test scripts which already scripted. Okay, so but client wants to run all these scripts every day at 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so to execute this, so we have to use a tool called Jenkins, which is a continuous integration tool. So the main advantage of this Jenkins is time scheduling. Okay, time scheduling without any manual intervention. So with the help of Jenkins we can able to run all our script, or client can run all our scripts on his required time, that is every day in the morning 8 a.m. So for that reason we have to use a continuous integration tool that is called Jenkins. The advantage of Jenkins is scheduling the jobs. Okay, so what are all the scripts we scripted, to schedule those scripts on the required time, so we have to use Jenkins. Okay, so here, so now I'm going to show you how we can download the Jenkins and how we can configure it in our local machines. Okay, so for that I will provide you the URL also, like what is the how we can download that Jenkins from the website. So here you can see, so this is the URL. So I will just copy and paste inside our for now I am pasting it here. So later after this you can download the Jenkins. You can see here, once if you hit that URL, you can have different versions here. So but we have to go for download Jenkins LTS, here means long term support. Okay, the below you can see generic Java package in the format of .var. Okay, generic Java package file in the format of .var file. Okay, so what is the difference between a jar and var? Okay, we will discuss about this in later in this video. Okay, so once if you download that Jenkins, so the next step what we have to do, so for example in my case I downloaded a Jenkins and it got stored in my downloads folder. Okay, so to start your Jenkins, so what we have to do now, so you need to do a command prompt. Where is your file got located, you need to do a command prompt here. So once if you hit command prompt from the particular location where is your .var file is located, so you need to enter a command called java-jar. So what is that file name called? Jenkins.var, right? Jenkins.var. So once if you hit, let me close this one, it is telling it started initialization, and also it is telling listed all the plugins. Okay, illegal reflective access operation has occurred. Jenkins is fully up and running. Okay, if you are opening this first time, so you will get one password also. So I will show you where you will get that password also. So because I already downloaded and I already changed that initial password, so in command prompt only you will get that path of your password first time where it is located. So let me go to that folder path. In my case it got located in C users folder. Inside this Lenovo folder there is some .jenkins folder is there, right? So if you go to secrets, so here you can see there is some password called, I will show you that one. You will get here only like password uh, text file is there, so you can take it from there. Secrets is there, right? So because I already modified this that password, so that's why I'm not able to see that password now. So anyway, once if you once if you take that password, so the next step what we need to do here, you have to go to your local host, I mean your browser, because Jenkins is a server. By defaultly Jenkins is running on the port number called 8080, right? So if I hit here local host 8080, sorry, because I have to close this one because it is already there, log out. Okay, so here you can see local host, right? Once your Jenkins is start up and running, so then the next step is you have to go to your local browser, I mean any browser from your machine. So once if you open any browser, you need to hit localhost 8080, because Jenkins is a server which is always running on the port number called 8080. So once if you hit that one, so by defaultly will have some username here. So in my case I am taking this Selenium Tech Automation, but if you are doing it first time, I will show you that one as well. Okay, so if you are doing that one as first time, you will get some default admin here. So and the password where you took it from, you already took it from that folder, secrets folder, inside your text file. So once if you copy and paste inside your passwords field, if you start clicking on sign in, okay, once if you click on sign in, so you don't get this dashboard. Okay, instead of this dashboard you will get first this one. Okay, so there will be two options you will get once if you log in for the first time, that is installed all plugins. One more option is there, install suggested plugins. We have to install suggested plugins. Once if you click on that install suggested plugins, it will start download all these plugins inside your local server, that is 8080 port number. Okay, so once that is done, it is telling here getting started, right? Once that is done, it will tell you Jenkins is ready. Okay, then after if we click on start using Jenkins, you will see this one, right? Like if you see this dashboard, that Jenkins home page, you can see welcome to Jenkins, and start building your software project, create a job, and set up a distributed builds as well. Means set up an agent, means if you want to run it from any one of your machines, like there is some hub or nodes was there, right? So likewise we can have one common machines where we can build all our test cases on that particular machine. Okay, so this is how our Jenkins will looks like. So now with these things we successfully configured Jenkins on our local machine, and we can also change our credentials as well if you want to use it in on your own username, and also if you want to use your email also, we can provide at the time of creating an account on behalf of you. Okay, once if you done, you will get your name as well like this. In my case it is showing Sunny Yadav, so it is our Jenkins dashboard home page. Okay, if you go to here dashboard, you will see there is some new item, enter an item name. Okay, so and also we can have freestyle project, pipeline, multi configuration project. Okay, I'm going to click on any name you can create here. means that is the first step we are going to do. So but here in this video I will I discussed about up to here only. So in our next video I will tell you how we can schedule a build from Jenkins, which means how we can execute our test cases on the mentioned time along with our extent reports. Okay, and also we are going to discuss about how we can configure this Jenkins inside our Maven project. Okay, I hope before that, so let me quickly ramp up what we discussed till now. So first of all, Jenkins is a continuous integration tool. So where if no one is available on your own time, whenever you want to run without any manual intervention, your scripts. Okay, so everyone can run their scripts on their own time if no one is available. So and also the main advantage of Jenkins is time scheduling. So I will cover all those things in our next video. So once if we downloaded that Jenkins, how we need to start, we have to go to our Jenkins folder where it got located jenkins.var file. So from here we have to do command prompt cmd. So after that, if you hit the command called java-jar and then Jenkins dot where, if you hit enter, it will tell you Jenkins is start up and running. If you see here, it is telling Jenkins is start up and running. Here you can see it is telling here, right? Jenkins is ready to use something, it will tell you. So once this is done, the next step is you have to go to your local your any one of your browsers, that is Edge or Chrome or Firefox or IE browser. So on that browser you need to hit this local host along with the port number 8080. That is a default port number where that Jenkins is running on that port ID. Okay, so once if you hit that one, it will ask you to log in with the default credentials. So where you will get those detailed default credentials, you will get inside your .jenkins folder. Inside secrets folder you will get one more text file that is called password related. So once if you open that password and you can enter that as your password, so after that you can able to see this dashboard. Before that, if you want to change that username and password on your name, so then you can modify that one. So after modification, you can able to access the Jenkins with your own username and password like credentials. So once that is done, you can see here this is the Jenkins dashboard. Okay, so this is all about Jenkins configuration on our local machine. So in our next video, as I told, so we will cover how we can integrate this Jenkins via Maven project, and also how we can compose an emails from Jenkins and to send to the other recipients, and also we can generate our extent reports from Maven project along with the Jenkins. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. So please drop a like which will helps me a lot to do more videos, and also please share this to your colleagues or friends so that our video will suggested to the people who are looking for these concepts. Okay, thank you. Until then, signing off, Selenium Tech Automation.